Matt here from Twinkl. Today I'm going to talk about a really great resource to help your children learn about 1 more, 1 less, 10 more or 10 less than a given number. When you download the resource, you'll notice that there are 2 different worksheets. The first sheet simply contains 4 grids, each with 10 less, 10 more, 1 less and 1 more around a blank central square. The second sheet is simply 100 square. Start by choosing a number and writing it in the middle of each grid. Then challenge your children to find 1 more, 1 less, 10 more and 10 less of each number by using the 100 square. Encourage your pupils to identify any patterns that they can see. For example, think about what happens if your pupils add together all of the numbers in the column or the row. What do they notice and why do they think that is happening? You could even further develop understanding by filling in one of the numbers and then getting the children to work backwards. For example, if I knew 1 more was 55, then I can fill in the rest of the numbers by working backwards. You could also play an adding or subtracting game, where you roll a dice and move a counter that many places. You can practice addition skills by going from 1 to 100, or subtraction skills by going from 100 to 1. Each time a player lands on a number, you could get them to say 1 more or 1 less than that number. Hope you enjoyed this video today. I'm off to go and practice some more math skills. See you next time.